Make sure you subscribe to Online Moneymaker. Make sure you subscribe to Online Moneymaker. Make sure you subscribe to Online Moneymaker and turn on that notification bell.
That's my girl, and you better do what she just said. You better subscribe to Online Moneymaker right now. Hey, by the way, if you want to do that yourself, that little girl bot there, you can do that at synthesia.io. That's synthesia.io. You can do that for free. Just wanted to throw that in there for you. Hey, if you've been doing affiliate marketing lately, whether you're a beginner or you're an old pro, I've got a great secret free traffic method for you that you're gonna love. Yes, this is 100% free. We're gonna get those affiliate links in front of thousands upon thousands of people. In fact, the team here at Online Moneymaker just started testing this free traffic method out, and we managed to make just about $1,000 per day in the last 2 days. So if you want to know how we did this, you got to keep watching this video. No, you don't need to know how to build a landing page for your affiliate link. You don't need a landing page, and you don't need any money for advertising. We're just going to use the magic of the internet to do all that work for us, and it's free of charge. Now, there's plenty of affiliate sites out there where you can find links to promote, but for today's example, we're just going to use ClickBank. We're going to take a random ClickBank product so I can show you how this free traffic method is done. But you're probably just going to want to watch this video all the way through, because even though I'm giving you just one example with one product, you'll be able to expand upon this and use your imagination and use it in other ways with different products. So make sure you at first just watch the video all the way through and then come back and watch it again. That's how this is going to work best for you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into this. But first, I need to remind you once again, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do it right now. Please like this video, and please leave us a comment down below. We check those out. Maybe we don't answer every single one of them, but we look at them because some of them are kind of crazy. I have a feeling there's some bots out there, because we'll get like 10 of the same comment in a row from the same person. So there's some bots out there. So if you're not a robot, subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you very much. Let's dive into this right now. So yes, for this example today, we will be using ClickBank. So if you don't already have a ClickBank account, go ahead and get signed up. It's free. It's very easy. It just takes seconds. So if you're new to ClickBank, what this is a website where we can get paid hefty commissions to promote other people's products, okay? So the first thing you want to do when you get signed up is to come down here where it says Affiliate Marketplace, and we want to click right there. Once you do that, what you're going to see here on the left-hand side, these are all the categories of different products that we can find to promote and make money. And within these categories, there's hundreds of different products. So the first thing we're going to do here, this is a brand new method, okay, so stick with me. We're going to search for products, but when doing so, we want to think of a celebrity that would pitch this for us, okay? If whatever product we're looking for here, we got to think of some sort of good celebrity that could do a commercial, so to speak, for us on this product. Let me give you a couple examples of what I mean. If I click right here under cooking, food, and wine, all these different products will come up that we can promote and get paid. Now, if you've watched any other videos on affiliate marketing, and especially ClickBank, the first thing they're going to do is tell you when you click on one of these categories, you want to come right here to where it says rank, okay? And you want to hit that little down arrow, and everybody else is going to tell you to click on gravity, okay? If we click on gravity, what that's going to do, that's going to put the highest selling products up top, okay? So the ones that are the best sellers will be on top. But for this method that I'm going to show you, we're going to do something just a little bit different, okay? I want you to hit this, but I want you to click right here on average conversion, okay? We want the highest paying products to be up top, okay? And that's for a reason. This will all make sense. So we see cooking products here. Now, who's a famous chef that could do a commercial for us? The first one that comes to mind is like Wolfgang Puck, okay? Maybe Gordon Ramsay, but you get the point there. If we click down at the bottom here where it says sports, we'll see all these different subcategories that come up, okay? So let's say if we clicked on golf, and again, making sure that it says average money conversion up top here, because we want the highest paying products to come up first. We'd see all these products related to golf that we could promote, and who could promote that for us? Well, probably none other than Tiger Woods or Rory McIlroy or Dustin Johnson, anybody like that. So let's do that. Let's promote a golf product. Let's promote this one, the new 4 magic moves to winning golf. This one's going to pay us just under $50 commission every time we sell one. So to do that, let's just hit promote right there. Okay, you're going to want to add your nickname in right here, the one you created when you signed up to ClickBank. Hit generate hop links right here. Then you want to hit this button right there, and now your link is copied. Now what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and open that up into a new tab, and this is what that landing page will look like. This is the page your customers or potential customers will be taken to every time they click on that link. So make sure you save that affiliate link somewhere, like in a folder, or just keep it open in that tab, because that's how we get paid. We need to save that link. The next step is to come over here to YouTube. Just come to youtube.com, and now we need to think of a famous golfer to pitch this product for us. And we mentioned Dustin Johnson, so let's just type in Dustin Johnson and see if anything good comes up. We're just looking for kind of a short video of Dustin Johnson that we can use, something not too long. Let's see. This one's probably good right here, this first one. It's only 3 minutes and 49 seconds long, so we want to just play that real quick, and you can just pause it. There'll probably be some ads playing before. That doesn't matter. We don't need to watch them. Just pause this video like that, okay? Now, up here in this bar, that's the URL to that video. So we want to copy that URL and also save that into a folder with our affiliate link. Next step is to come to this website called Sniply, and you can find this at sniply.io. Now what this is going to do for us, this is going to allow us to take that video of Dustin Johnson and create this pop-up at the bottom of it, okay? This pop-up with a call to action that's going to lead straight to our affiliate link, okay? And I'm going to show you how this works. Now this is free, however, they do have a paid version, okay? The paid version, what this is going to do, it's going to let you customize the look of it a little more, okay? But we don't need to do that. We're just going to go with the free trial, okay? So you'll just want to hit get started for free right here, and I'm going to take you through the quick sign up process. The sign up process is pretty straightforward and simple, except I want you to consider something right here where it says name. You may not want to put your real name in there, because whatever you put in there is going to end up right here where it says your brand, whatever name you put in there is going to end up right there on your pop-up. So if we are doing a golf product, for example, maybe I want my name to be the golf guru, okay? So like golf guru, okay? That's going to make it look a little more legit. Then just add your email address, a password, and create your account. Once inside Sniply, this is what your dashboard will look like. Don't pay any attention to this stuff. They want you to pay for things, but we're not going to do that. So the first thing we want to do is take the URL from this video, the Dustin Johnson video we found, the URL, and we want to paste it right up in here at the top where it says create snip. So we want to paste that in there like that, okay? And then hit create snip. And then this is where we'll start setting it up, and the video will go right here, and your pop-up will be down here. And look, what did I tell you about the name? It says Golf Guru. If you were to sign up with your own name, your personal name would be right there. We don't want that. So the first thing to do is we want to go down the list here. We want to hit brand, so just hit this little icon there, okay? So the type of Sniply we're going to do, it's the button right here, okay? We want this call to action button right here. So click on button, and then we'll start customizing this. Now we want to write a message, a call to action here, which is going to appear here. Now, since we're using Dustin Johnson, a Dustin Johnson video to help us promote this product, which promises to make your golf game better or whatever, we want to write something along the lines of this into the message. Learn Dustin's secret. See, and that will appear down here at the bottom. You want to put some exclamation points in there, make it seem urgent. The button right here that people will push, I kind of just capitalized it and also put some exclamation points there. And then the URL, the affiliate link goes right here. You want to paste your affiliate link right here where it says button URL. Now, if you were paying for this Sniply service, you'd be able to customize this more. You'd be able to place a profile picture here. You'd be able to change up the design a little bit down here, the colors, but that's not necessary for today's example. Once this is all correct, go ahead and hit continue like that, okay? And then what we're gonna do here is we're gonna hit finish CTA like that. And that's gonna generate us a new link that we're gonna use right here. See this one right here? So copy that, and let's just throw that into a new tab and see what it looks like. So we can see that indeed the video does appear with our pop-up, our call to action pop-up from Snipply down here at the bottom. So that's all working correctly. Now we want to test this. Just hit the click here button, and that should lead, and it does, right to our affiliate page. So this is all working perfectly. Now the next step is, where do we post this new link? Okay, where do we post it so we can get thousands and thousands of people to see it? Well, let me show you. We're going to keep using Dustin Johnson to help us out here. For this final step, you're going to need a Facebook page. So if you don't have one, just create one right now. It takes 30 seconds. Do not worry, you will not be posting this on your personal page. You don't even need any friends on Facebook. You can start up just a fresh account to do this, what I'm about to show you. Okay, so let's go to Facebook. Actually, just to show you how easy this is, I went ahead and just created a brand new Facebook page just for this video, just to show you guys. So what we're going to do, we're going to come up here at the top to this search button right there, and just want to type in Dustin Johnson. Okay, that's what we're looking for here. Dustin Johnson. Sorry, I'm not the fastest typer in the world. Okay, Dustin Johnson, athlete. Okay, let's see what comes up for Dustin Johnson. We'd like to get on his personal page here, and this looks like it. Dustin Johnson with 312,000 followers. That's what we want right there. So this is the verified Facebook page of Dustin Johnson. Now, we can't just go ahead and throw anything up here. You can't just post on this, but one thing you can do is this. You can comment under a post that he makes. So what we want to do, we want to take the most recent one, which is this, and we can see that it's already gotten almost 8,000 likes. It's got 166 shares. This is perfect. So let me show you what we're going to do. All you're going to do is just comment on his most recent post, and you want to write something like, "What a great moment," okay? And then paste that link from Snipply right there, and then below the comment, it's going to populate it with your video and your pop-up. So if anybody clicks on this, and this is getting shared thousands of times a day, watch what happens. It's going to take us right to that Dustin Johnson video, and then we're going to see this pop up down at the bottom, and when somebody clicks on that, presto, it takes them right to the magic secret golf swing page that's going to get you paid. Okay, this method works. This is how you get a celebrity to promote a product for you for free. Now you know. Go out, make this work for you. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.